So today I'm going to make a quick video on how we can do resampling using Ather to take a stream from one sample rate and then send it out at a different sample rate so that we can bridge different audio pieces together. So I'm going to do this on a mini PC. So if you just go to Amazon, search mini PC, you'll be able to just buy one of these. If you don't have a laptop or a server available in your current setup, you can just buy one of these to throw it down. I've also installed Ubuntu on it. You can use whatever flavor you like. I prefer using Linux, and right now Ubuntu is just the easiest to put on. I find Linux has lower latency because we have less time slicing issues on the threads. So head over to documentation, installation. This is going to be a Debian-based system. So I'm going to copy this, download, and then I'm going to sudo apt install uh, core. And while that's going on, we're also going to need the administration tool. I already have that, so I'm just going to do this. And we'll do the same thing. Okay, I already have, let's just see. I already have the admin and core service files in here, so I can run it as a service. Just so you can see what they look like. I'm just going to run the admin and the core. So I'm going to sudo system start the core. Now, when I do this, we do have some configuration files that might need to be set. And if we go, so you'll just sudo nano opt Ather audio, the mixing engine. So you'll want to set your PTP interface address, your audio address, multicast if it's important to you. So if you do have a PTP clock, you want to set this to false. If you do not have a PTP clock and you just want to use this for non-PTP synced audio, you can set this to true. And then the inbound and outbound jitter, this is really going to be your system dependent. On Windows, I suggest using 18 and 18. If you're going to be going over the internet, maybe something closer to 50 or 60, depending on the actual jitter on the internet. So my settings are okay. If you did end up changing the settings, you're going to want to restart your core. Okay, so once we do that, we can go to our instance address, log in. I'm going to make a new configuration. I have to register an instance. So this is going to be my Ubuntu system. And we're going to use port 5051. The reason why we're doing that is because we have the RPC port set to 5051 here. So I'm going to register the instance. Instead of editing this INI file, you can also, once you've added the instance, you can go into edit instance and change those INI settings. I'm going to make a new configuration. I'm going to call it resampler. I'm going to have inbound streams. So this is going to be multicast one. This is going to be coming in on a different. So I have dual NICs here, and I've set up multicast to be on one of them. So this one here is connected to my multicast network. This one here is connected to the internet. So we want this to be on 32. And this is going to be 9600 in. Sorry about that. Let's use real. No. Now we're going to say this is actually 3-channel audio. So we have 3 channels coming in. And now I'm going to send this out. And we're going to send it out at 48K at 1 millisecond. And this will do 3 channels as well. So we can send this to multiple different locations if we have different NICs. So I can send it over the cloud to somebody else as well as to my local. For now, I'm going to multicast it out to 54. Why not? And this is going to be going out over my 130. So now that we've done that, we just have to make the association. So this is the inbound stream channel 1, going to outbound channel 2 to channel 2, channel 3 to channel 3. So we're going to take 96 in and we're going to send 48 out. Once this is set up, all we have to do is load the system. And that's it. So then you're going to have 96K coming in and you're going to have 48K going out.